soup.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I just basically finally received the last of my Amazon package, and I was like, you know what, I ordered 4 things from Amazon, and I might as well just unbox it for you guys. Before we jump into the video, if you're new here, don't forget to click the subscribe button below and also hit the notification bell to get notified once a new video drops. And this is not meant to be a long video, to be honest. I ordered at the beginning of this lockdown quarantine. I ordered like a few things from Amazon, but it's taken weeks, like literally. I'm just gonna check when I ordered these quickly. Okay, so today is the 23rd of April, and you will not believe that I ordered these 4 packages like on the 7th of April. So the first one, this one, arrived on the 9th, then the next one arrived on the 14th, then the next one arrived on the 17th, and the last one arrived today, literally, which is the 23rd. Like, I ordered these things on the 7th, like, it took forever. And you must be wondering why I'm wearing gloves. The reason why I'm wearing gloves is because these things came from outside. I don't know basically who's touched it, who's been with it, whatever, I don't care. I'm not catching any Rona today. So I put on my gloves so I can unbox these things, and then once I unbox them, I'm gonna take off my gloves so I can handle what's actually inside. But yeah, so let's just head right into the unboxing. So the first thing that arrived was this one, and I'll tell you what it's meant to be. So I basically just ordered a couple of skincare products. Sorry, cut that open. Basically ordered a couple of skincare products. Most of it are Body Shop stuff. There we go. So I ordered the Body Shop Vitamin E face wash and dry skin moisture cream hydration moisturizer, basically. So there we go. So that's the first package. Receipt. So this one, I'll tell you the total. So I paid 83 dirhams for this and 89 dirhams for this. So in total I paid 172 dirhams for these two, which is roughly around, what, 17,000 naira, some thereabout, for these 2 items on Amazon. Obviously including shipping, which was almost nothing basically. But yeah. Moving on, the next package that arrived. Alright, so I ordered some sunscreen. So this Nivea sunscreen. I just wanted to test it out. I mean, we're not going outside at the moment, and I mean, there really isn't sun. But I want to test it out moving forward when we're able to go out, because black people need sunscreen, innit? The next thing I got was this one. Cut. Can't rip these things with my hands. All right, I think this is my Vitamin E oil. Ooh. Wow, the packaging though, just so it doesn't go off. So I ordered some vitamin C oil. Oh man, this is work. Work. Okay, wow. This is like double packaging, extreme packaging, isn't it? Ooh. Right. So I ordered this Milal Naturals Vitamin C oil. That's the 3rd package. Finally, the box. So I think I know what this is supposed to be, but I don't even remember at this point until I see it. Wow. Okay. to make progress. Okay. Perfect. So obviously just excess packaging. Yes, so I ordered a cream cleanser. Also from Body Shop, the vitamin E cream cleanser. So those are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Those are the 5 items I ordered from Amazon. So obviously out with the packaging, the gloves also go. So, I mean, let me tell you the story behind all of this. Considering that we were going to be home for a bit of time, I just thought, why not, you know, focus on some skincare and hydrating my skin, because I have really dry skin, and normally with work and all of that I never have time to actually do stuff. So I'm gonna create a whole new night routine with these products and see how well it works. Obviously I'm gonna take you guys along as well, but before we end, I'll just tell you how much I bought these. Okay, the face wash was 79 dirhams and this was 83.99 dirhams. So in total that came up to around 172.98 dirhams. That's roughly around 17,000 naira for these two products. So this cream cleanser costs around 82.31 dirhams, which is roughly around 8,000 naira. This vitamin C oil costs 35 dirhams, so around 3,500 naira. And then this costs 48 dirhams. Obviously all the prices I've told you are not inclusive of shipping. I basically had to pay shipping per item because I was ordering from different vendors and there wasn't one single vendor that had everything that I was looking for. So yeah, that's my unboxing. If you want to see what I make of these products, subscribe to my channel, click on the notification bell, and you will be notified once my night skin routine is up and ready. And I'll show you also, the results from me using these products as well. Till next time, guys. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. If you really enjoyed it, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. It's red, it's flashy, it's looking at you. Yes, click it right now. If you want to see more amazing content from me, don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified when a new video comes out. For now, here's 2 amazing videos you could watch right now. Go ahead and click it. What are you waiting for?